Welcome back. Victoria Fernandes has resigned from the Congress party. Mummy informed that she would contest independently, but the constituency is uncertain. Sources say that she might contest the elections from Taleigao. On the other side, Pratap Mardolkar resigned from the MGP after spending a short span of time with the party. He called Deepak Taleigao a deceiver. Meanwhile, Trajan de Mello resigned from the NCP and Francis Fernandes resigned from the Congress party.
Victoria Fernandes, who is fondly known as Mummy, has quit the Congress. She was denied party ticket in the upcoming poll. Victoria informed that she will contest independently. When asked by media persons to specify the constituency, she refused to comment and said that her workers would finalize the constituency. It is amply clear that Mummy will not contest from Santa Cruz constituency as her son Rudolph is a candidate in the constituency.
After that, plan?
No, after that I'll file independent.
Independent in which constituency?
In my own constituency. जाऊं आणि खंयच्या पळयता तकलेन हे जाता तशें पळयतलें बरो बल्ले म्हण कितें we'll see what happens. The workers will decide after his final decision is there. गोंयान खंय रावतली कांयच सांगूंक जायना. लोकांचो प्रेशर आसा सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन बॉब मारता. तूं यो मम्मी आमकां राव आमकां राव आमकां राव. पळय म्हजें आसा न्हय हे सगळे डिसिजन.
Cause of your disappointment with Congress?
Pratap Mardolkar also resigned from the MGP on Saturday. He had joined the MGP few days back. He alleged that he was cheated by the party. He said that he worked hard for the MGP, but the party ticket was not allotted to him. He said that he would contest the election independently from Daboli constituency.
असे दिसून येले दीपक ढवळीकरान आपल्या स्वतःच्या स्वार्था खातीर फटिंगपणा करून ही असले कृत्य केल्ले आसा आणि बरें दिसलें म्हाका की देवान म्हाका पयलीं दाखोवन दिलें की असले पार्टीन जे पार्टीचो लिडर फटींग आसा त्या पार्टीच्या लिडरा पासून म्हाका पयस दवरलो आनी त्या पार्टी पासून म्हाका तुमकां सांगपाक कांयच दिसना आनी ह्याची लोकांनी दखल घेवपाकूच जाय आनी हे आमकां समाजाक आमच्या गोंयांत चड खतरनाक आसा.
Meanwhile, Trajan de Mello resigned as the vice president and primary member of NCP. He will contest as an independent from Taleigao. Senior Congress leader Francis Fernandes has resigned from Congress as the executive committee member. He is likely to contest as an independent from Shioli constituency. Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar and Surendra Matkaikar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
They say save the best for the last. In an inspiring speech on the final day of the Didi Kosambi Festival of Ideas, Nobel laureate and founder of the Grameen Bank in Bangladesh, Professor Muhammad Yunus, narrated the journey and success story of the bank that he started. He was speaking on the topic social business to address society's most pressing needs.
So what I decided, why don't I walk out of the university campus, go to the village, spend time with the villagers and see if I can make myself useful to one single person, even for one day. So I was not trying to change the world, I was not trying to change the country or change the village. I made it very simple, doable thing. Whole capitalist system is collapsing. Unemployment in Europe. People cannot believe that you can have unemployment in the kind of citadel of capitalist system. It's a crazy situation. Why should anybody be unemployed in the first place? Is it something wrong with the person? Absolutely not. No, where is it wrong? The system is wrong. Why can't you admit that? You screwed up the system. You did not create a system where each young person or each human being can express his or her creative powers and contribute. That's the whole idea. And young people must realize they have the power to change the world. And they have to ask themselves, what are we going to use this power for? Are we going to use it or just let it waste away in us? That's the challenge to all of us. And we should, if we make our young people aware, we can change this world drastically. And we can create a world where nobody will be unemployed. It's absolutely meaningless why anybody should be unemployed. It's absolutely meaningless why anybody should be poor. It is absolutely meaningless. Why should anybody be welfare dependent? Why we should create all the problems of the planet so that each day it becomes more dangerous? We can reverse that. Each day this planet will be much safer, much more comfortable for the next generation.
Our reporter Jason Suarez for Prudent Media.
Panjikars do not have to worry about the inflation of food commodities. A weekly market has come up at Kampal with reasonable prices. This market will come up every Saturday at the parade ground in Kampal. Finally, Goa's capital city has its own Athwadyacho Bazaar.
Now you don't have to flock to Mapsa, Sankili or Banastari for weekly market. You can easily drive down to Kampal and make your purchase while on a round to Miramar or Kampal on an evening walk. Just make a stop, turn around to the parade ground and have it all. Name the vegetables, spices or fruits and you can have it at a cheaper rate.
Now this is a market is happening everywhere in Goa, like Banastari, Honda, Saklim, Mapsa. Now I thought it is bringing to Panjim also by the support of municipality. So they have given me the permission only for Saturday, and they said they will continue, but it's on public demand now. It is if the public agree for that, then it will be continued. And this is very vegetable, like fresh vegetable, and little bit cheap also, which is coming from Belgaum.
बानास्तरी बाजार करता है और हफ्ते में 3-4 बाजार करता है। अब ये भी सैटरडे बाजार करने के लिए सोच रहा है। अभी देखेंगे नया मार्केट हुआ है कैसा चलेगा, इसके बाद में मालूम पड़ेगा हमको। अब पहले दिन तो अच्छा लग रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा तो पब्लिक आ रहा है। अभी किसको भी मालूम नहीं है ना नया मार्केट चालू हुआ बोल के। अभी कभी मालूम पड़ेगा, ऐसा पब्लिक बढ़ेगा तो अच्छा है। मार्केट सस्ता है, हाँ एकदम सस्ता है। अब मार्केट में तो सोफा वो उनका सब काटना पड़ेगा ना, इधर तो उतना ये नहीं है।
10-12 दीस वयता एक बरें समजलो न्हू। मार्केटान घेवन गेले वयल्यान गर्दी आनी वयल्यान थिंगा रेटूय हे करता ते सारके मायज दवरला आनी आमकां खावपाक बारीक लोकांक आमकां हे सारके जायना.
The vendors will be here every Saturday to sell fresh vegetables, fruits at a cheaper rate compared to the other rates in the market.
Just हांव कॅज्युअली आयलो हांगासर, पूण हांगा खूब रेट सवाय आसा कंपेर्ड टू मार्केट. सो मातशी खरेदी करूया म्हणून आयलो आनी खरेदी केली. खूब रिजनेबल आसा. हय हय पणजे मार्केट सवाय.
Our video journalist Shushant Paul and Anil Sanadi.
This year, there are less chances of the government funding carnival activities. Organizers may have to raise funds through other institutions for carnival celebrations. Chief Election Office has given stern warning that in case politicians fund the carnival, then it would be added to their election expenses. But it's surprising that the Election Commission is yet to give permissions for carnival in Goa.
Chief Electoral Office has said that carnival committees can only have government officers on it. If all specified things are met by the committees, then permissions would be given for holding carnivals in the state. Government has also appointed 5 chief officers as the chairman of the carnival committees. But government this time may not fund the celebrations.
This time government may not finance the carnival committees, but carnival committees can undertake carnival with money which there is from other institutions, provided if at all any political element is found interfering with this, then that income or that expenditure will be accounted to his election expenditure.
Even if any organization is holding the carnival privately, then permissions of the election office would be required. Meanwhile, Chief Electoral Office has also released toll-free numbers of Income Tax Department and control rooms. Income Tax toll-free number is 180023301330. Control room number is 0832 2421 485 or 0832 2421 586. Control room office number is 1077 2225083 or 242 6578. In all, 20 general observers are coming down to Goa. Of these, 16 observers are women. 4 expenditure observers are also coming down to Goa. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar.
It's time now to take another short break. Stay tuned.